Hey guys, I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. If you guys can see the background, you probably noticed that this is not my house. Today I am cleaning my brother's new house, and he just got the keys yesterday or the day before. So I'm off work today, so I told him that I would come in and give the new place a really good deep clean. So I'm just going to, everything's out. The person that lived here before is all moved out, and I brought all of my cleaning supplies. So I'm gonna run through everything that I brought really quick, and then we're gonna get into some deep cleaning. All right, so there's really no like order here. I just threw everything in from my house and brought it over. So I have some Swiffer wet pads, because I'm not sure. I brought a lot of stuff that I don't know if I'm going to use. I think I'm gonna actually like hand wash the floors just to give them a really good deep clean. But if I want, I'm gonna use a Swiffer wet jet. I also have my Swiffer duster to clean the walls and stuff. I brought cleaning vinegar, some disinfecting wipes, sponges, scraper. I haven't looked at the oven yet, but I might need to use a scraper. This for the blinds. Again, I might use it, I might not. Some Clorox wipes. My Angry Mama to clean the microwave, some hand soap, because I didn't know if there was any over here, but there actually is. This dishwasher cleaner, my Purell multi-surface disinfectant, my Dawn Power Wash, my Barkeeper's Friend, my Method degreaser, my spray away glass cleaner, some dish soap, and toilet bowl cleaner. Which, funny thing is, I forgot to bring a toilet bowl brush, so I guess I won't be cleaning the toilet today. In this bin I have the dusters for the Swiffer duster, my Mrs. Meyer baking soda cream cleanser. So I am on a little bit of a time restriction. I got over here way later than I should have got over here, so I have a few hours. I'm not gonna be able to get everything done in a few hours. You guys know how I clean, like that's gonna be a no. So today I'm gonna focus on getting the walls, the floors clean mainly, and then we'll see how much time I have after that so that he can move his stuff in tomorrow, and then I'll work on the kitchen and stuff probably tomorrow. So we'll see how much time I have. If I'm like zooming, maybe I'll get the kitchen and bathroom started, but I don't know. So let's get started. I just Swiffered all of the walls. I didn't show every wall because I didn't want to bore you to death. Now I'm gonna go over everything with my Swiffer duster or Swiffer mop and this wet pad. And yeah, definitely it's a pain in the butt, but you only have to do it like once you move in, and maybe like once a year, to really like clean your walls, and it's definitely worth it. Is this love that I'm we've been fighting, and I know that we've been good, and I believe that you've been hiding, 'cause you're so misunderstood, 'cause I'm looking for something bigger. guys, so it is day 2 of cleaning. It's actually 2 days later. I didn't come the next day because life, but day 1 you guys saw me do the walls and the floors. So today I'm focusing on the kitchen and the bathroom. So first thing we're going to do is the dishwasher. I want to get that running so that that can run while I can clean the rest of the kitchen. And yeah, so let's get started. Alright, so to clean the dishwasher, I have some baking soda to deodorize it. I'll put this on the bottom. I have my Dawn Power Wash, which I'm just going to spray the rubber seals around because that's where most of the dust and dirt and grime collects. And then I have this dishwasher cleaner. If you don't have a dishwasher cleaner, you can use vinegar, put it in a glass bowl, and put it on the top rack, and then run a long hot cycle. But I have these, so I'm going to use these up.
Just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I can't help myself, I wanna get you. Still feel the way I feel when somebody calls you mine. Are you sleeping with someone new? Someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new. Truth was lies. I wanna rewind. Isn't it obvious how we're gonna make this right? 'Cause we had that love, we had that poison, we had that high for a day. Sometimes it all slips away and you lose yourself and you feel like you're falling into fire. little bit naughty. I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer, yeah. I can really start over, yeah. In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure, yeah. I can finally start over, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Oh, bye-bye, bye-bye.
And guys, I finished off the cleaning in the kitchen, just wiping down the counters and giving the floor one last sweep before I headed out. I hope you guys like this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning motivation, and I will see you guys next Monday for a new video. Bye.